In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies on Asana quickly and easily if you're managing a project and need to keep track of tasks that rely on the completion of others. Setting dependencies is a crucial step. Let's work through it together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your project on Asana. Once you're there, open up the task for which you want to create a dependency. This is where all the specific details of the task are stored, making it an ideal spot to designate its dependencies. Now within the task's details panel, look for the dependencies field. It might be labeled as add dependency, or you might notice a chain link icon instead. Once you find it, go ahead and click on that. If you're unable to see this option immediately, ensure that your task is fully expanded in the details view, as the interface may hide some options if the panel width is too narrow. After clicking the dependency field, you will need to determine the relationship between tasks. Asana gives you the flexibility to decide if the current task you're working on blocks another task or if it is blocked by another task. This is an important distinction. If your task is essential before another can begin, it would block. Conversely, if your task cannot proceed until another is completed, it is blocked by the other task. Select the option that best fits the situation. You'll then search for and select the related task to establish this connection. Asana's search feature is quite intuitive, so you can type in keywords from the task's title and it should pop right up for you to select. Switching gears a bit, now we're going to take a look at the bigger picture. To do that, you'll want to switch over to the timeline view. This is particularly useful because it provides a visual representation of all your tasks and their dependencies. Any tasks that you've marked as dependent on one another will appear connected by lines in this view. This visual element can be immensely beneficial as it allows you to see potential bottlenecks or overlaps, helping you to adjust schedules and priorities accordingly. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully add and manage task dependencies within your Asana projects. This capability ensures that your workflow remains efficient and organized, enabling you to oversee each task status with ease. Adjusting to using dependencies might take some practice, but once you master it, it'll become an indispensable part of your project management arsenal. Remember, keeping track of dependencies is a proactive approach to managing your project success. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these instructions help streamline your project management efforts. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy project managing.